Yeah, that's Richard Gray with, what's the name of that track? Well, that's called Me and My Funk, and that's from the Me and My Funk EP. Well, let's turn our attention to the Netherlands now. Let's go for a bit of Dutch house. This was on Music Man Records, another great techno label, and some really good hard house of the era. This is a track by Pure, and the track is called Pure Music, that is. the awesome release there on Music Man Records from the Netherlands. That's Pure, with Pure Music, that is. And thank you for tuning in to me, DJ Werkz. This is Secklow Sounds Radio and my show, Synthetic Soundscapes, the show that really wants to celebrate everything about electronic dance music. If you've got something that you want me to hear, or play even, why don't you make contact? I invite my listeners every single week to make contact. In fact, you don't just have to do it during the show. Make contact during the week. Have a think about what you want me to play, whether there's a little mix you want me to put together, whether we want me to play one of your mixes or exclusive tracks. I'll be more than happy to do that. My contact details are craig@secklowsounds.org if you want to drop me an email, or you can text me 07956 218 723. You can contact me via my Facebook page, Synthetic Soundscapes. Just click on message and drop me an instant message, or post something on the Synthetic Soundscapes page. And what I try to do each week is actually post each release I play as I play it live. And if you like that, just drop a comment under that release. Of course, what else is there? Oh, Twitter. Yes, if you want to send me a tweet, it's at DJ Werkz. That's DJWERKZ. So, as I promised, I always try and play dedications and shout-outs, and this gentleman, so far nearly every week, has tried to challenge me to something to play. Well, this week, I'm not going to play one of his challenges. I'm going to play a dedication to him himself. Paul Finnegan, this one's for you. This is on 4 Sync Music Works, an awesome techno label from the mid-90s. This is Ultra High with Revenge of the Maya Gods.